What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna take a look at the hard carrying travel case bag for the Logitech MX Master 3, MX Master 2S and the MX Master wireless mouse. This is one of the most expensive mouse you'll ever find on the market, therefore you gotta protect it with something awesome. What I have right here is the hard carrying case with a soft padding on the inside and a hard shell cover. This is definitely gonna protect the MX Master 3. The MX Master 3 is one of the most expensive mouse you'll ever find on the market, and this case is the perfect pairing for it. Just taking a quick look, there is a soft padding on the inside, a small cutout compartment on the inside for holding the USB adapter. So this right here is the expensive beast, the MX Master 3. Now I'm gonna put the mouse adapter in that case and then put the MX Master on top. It fits like a glove. There is a little bit of space, but that's needed. This is what it looks like. Putting the zip around and everything is all good now. As you can see here, it just looks great. There is a carrying strap. Thank you guys for watching. Check the link in the description. Until then, I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace out.